How to think like a programmer. That is my goal for this summer. I want to help you all get to a stage where you can say, I have an idea for a world. Maybe it's a simple game. Then make that come to life. To do this, we're going to have a lot of videos coming out. And this is a list of some of the things that I want to work on. And this is a list of all of the gizmos in Horizon that we need to talk about. There's a lot of things we're going to be getting into. I'm building a playlist. This should be the first video in the playlist, so welcome in. And the first video is an introduction to TypeScript. It's a good starting point. What you're going to want to do is watch these, pause, try to do the things. Unfortunately, we don't have a budget to go build a massive, like learning website. I wish we did. Maybe one day that'll be the case. But for today, you do have to kind of do a lot of hard work yourself. So you need to pause, do the typing, kind of like get the muscle memory. I believe in a 3-step learning process. For one, you hear it. Second, you write it down or you think about it, and then you do it. And so that's 3. You might need to do it in a different order. You might need to hear it, do it, then review it. So, but anyway, the point is you need 3 to lock it into your brain. So please do your best. It is going to be a lot of work for yourself as well as myself. So any feedback you have, please leave it in the YouTube comments or join our Discord and let me know. This is my goal for the next 12 weeks starting today. I have an internship program I'm running in parallel to this, where that's my goal with them, is to help them build amazing worlds and be able to bring their vision to life. And I want to take you guys along with me with that journey. So please do feel free to join, give me your feedback. I'll be making lots of tutorials for this program, and I hope it helps. So the first video, Introduction to TypeScript, is going to teach you a foundation for TypeScript. It's going to get you a really good starting point. There's a ton more beyond that, so feel free to explore outside on the internet. If you find a good tutorial, I would love for you to come into our Discord and share that in the TypeScript General or the Creator Support channels. Feel free to tag me. I'm Laexo5. That's LAEX05 on Discord. Vidyuu Discord link is in description. But yeah, that's my goal. I want to help you guys out. And so without further ado, go ahead and start this next video. Let me know how it goes. After that, we're going to be doing a lot more diving into Horizon and the desktop editor, and we'll be using Horizon's APIs to build amazing things. But the things you're going to learn today are going to help you think like a programmer, even outside of Horizon. All right, have a great one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.